Hello everyone. In Swift UI, you know this instruct the file name underscore previews and it inherits preview provider. Now here I have declared a variable with this binding property wrapper. So here it is calling to this my logo, which is my struct. So it asking me argument for this parameter nameBind. Now how we can provide a value? In this case this is a string. If we say something like this, here you can see it showing us a error. Okay, now the thing is we have to say the property name nameBind colon. Now if we say something like this, you will see error is not disappeared, it is still available. As the solution we have to say dot constant and then parentheses. Here I will say the value as, let's say, Ashane. Now here I'm going to show some text. Let's pass in this nameBind. Now let's preview. You can see that's visible here because we are passing the value to this nameBind from this struct. Now let's think we have more variables. For example, at binding var, we have binding property wrapper and then the variable name as age as int, and also some boolean binding var single colon, actually this should be bool. Okay, now it will ask more values to here. So how we can provide values? Here we have to separate by comma and then passing each value. So for the age I will say colon and then here dot constant. Inside that I will pass in my age 23, and then the last one, which is this one single, I will say single property, the value with dot constant. Inside parentheses I can pass in bool as true. Okay, now here I'm going to add more text, age, and also text. I'm checking if single and then braces, so I can show my text here. So I will say I'm single. Now here let's go ahead and preview this. Okay, we have error because this is not a string, so we have to pass in that as a string. So I will say backslash parentheses, inside that the variable name. Now you can see these values are showing. I hope your error is solved down, and if this helps you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.